Hello and welcome to the batch converter tutorial. So maybe I have a lot of files that I want to import and change to SpaceClaim files. So you see I have a directory here with some different file types. And we want to access our batch converter, which is located under your C drive. So go to My Computer, click on your C drive, then click on Program Files, and then go down and click on 2007 Plus. So that's where it will be unless you've actually installed it in a different location. So once there, click on the Converter Executable. This will bring up a new menu, and it starts off and gives you your options for converting. So the first thing I want to do is to filter files. So you see I can choose all the different file formats I can import from, and I'll actually choose the JT format for now. So I want to recurse my directories so that the files that I save and import to scdocs will remain in the same directory. And we'll look at some other options. I can locate failures in a specific directory, I can save my settings, and in case SpaceClaim is located in a different location, I can specify that. So now let's go to the Data Convert tab. So in here I'm able to add files, so you can search for the file you want to add, or I can specify an entire folder and load that in. But also what's nice is that I can go back to that initial folder that I had, and I'll go to a higher level, and I'll drag that entire folder in. And as you can see, it's filtered out just the JT files that I wanted to import and convert. So now I'll click the Convert tab, and right here it's asking you, basically, if I convert these files, I have permission to overwrite any scdocs that are there. So we only ask you once and ask you for all the files, so that in case you wanted to run this overnight or while you weren't there, it wouldn't continually give you a pop-up that you'd have to click through. So now we can see the files are starting to get converted. And we actually color code the files so you know the progress and what files got converted and what ones didn't. So green files are converted files, yellow ones are in progress, and if it's a red file, that means there was an error or something went wrong. So we'll wait one more second for this to wrap up. And so they're all green, so it means they all got converted. So let's see and make sure and open one of them up in SpaceClaim. So you can see the different files that got converted. So I'll drag and drop this new faucet, the SpaceClaim dock, into SpaceClaim. You can see that opens up, and we have our new file saved out as SpaceClaim. So I hope it's been helpful. Thank you for watching.